We're at the bathroom rebuild job that we just finished last week. Now it's time to get some fresh paint on the walls and get this job back to its pre-loss condition. Let's get painting. So paint on the walls looked really, really good at the rebuild job. Ended up taking on a sort of a post-construction cleanup. I wouldn't say it was a post-construction cleanup though, because there most definitely still is and was construction going on. But we showed up, cleaned up. The job site looks a lot better than it did. There was debris everywhere, and I don't know if that was from people beforehand when they demoed the lot and the house, whatever, and there was still some stuff there or what, but it was a lot. It looks a lot better than it did, and I had a blast doing it. So now it's time to go find some food. So today, got a call. They need 2 cars cleaned ASAP. So we're gonna get out there, load up the van. We're gonna get out there and get these cars cleaned up for today, and probably tomorrow as well. So 4 cars, 48 hours. Let's see how we do. So I just totally got rained out. I am absolutely soaked. My equipment is soaked. There's water in the van. I saw the rain coming. I felt it, but I thought it was going to be very gradual, and all of a sudden it was like big drops, and it was just downpouring. So I think I'm going to have to call it quits today. I got through a full car and a half a car when it started raining. I have one more car to do tomorrow. But yeah, I am completely rained out, so I'm going to head out for the day, and I'll be back here bright and early tomorrow.